Hi friends, today we're going to do a little science experiment. We're going to use some little cups. You can use any size you have. I just used what I had at home. And if you have some leftover jelly beans from Easter, and we labeled ours. We're going to put different types of liquids in there and see how our jelly beans change. So we're going to do some water with salt. We're going to do water or vinegar, milk, 7-Up, and water with some Dawn dish soap. And then we'll put our jelly beans in, and then we will check it and see how they've changed over time. And you can do whatever you'd like. So the first one we're going to do is just water and jelly beans. Next one is going to be water and we're using sea salt because that's what we had. Red ones are going to be some warm water with some Dawn dish soap. Okay, next we're going to do 7-Up.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you sit up.
And then we're going to use some milk. We're just using some milk. You can use whatever you have at home. And then our last one, we're going to use some white vinegar. We're gonna see how these change. It already looks like the water's starting to change on some of them. We're gonna come back and see what they look like in a little bit. Hi guys, we let everything sit overnight and now we're gonna look at it. All right, remember the water? We put orange jelly beans. And it looks like the jelly beans are white and the water is orange. And then when we use water with some sea salt, those were pink jelly beans. And then the next one we used water, that one was just water with Dawn. And those were red jelly beans. And then the next one was some 7-Up, and those were yellow jelly beans. And then the next one we used some milk, and we actually used some green jelly beans. The bottom looks like it's changed some bit. It looks a little blue, not really green. And then the last one we used some vinegar, and we used some purple jelly beans. You guys see all that? I'll go through one more time. Alright, we're going to dump them out and then we're going to look at the jelly beans. Guys, we took the jelly beans out of the liquid. Remember the first one were orange jelly beans with just some warm water. And those look lighter orange. You can tell that they are not as vibrant as they were. The next one was water with sea salt. And those were bright pink. And now they're just a soft pastel pink. Next one was water with Dawn. And those were bright red. And those are a softer red. And Next one was 7-Up. And again, same thing. Those were bright yellow, and those are a little softer yellow. They're a little darker than some of the other ones. And then we used some milk. And those were green, and you do not see too much green, just a little bit green. So it looks like the milk completely turned them close to white, but there's a little bit of green on there. And then the last one, that was vinegar, and we had purple. And those now look blue. You can see a little tint of purple. So now here are all our jelly beans. Okay guys, and you can see that the jelly beans are very squishy and they fall apart after being in the liquid overnight. You can just squeeze them a little bit and they fall apart. They're very soft and mushy. Alright, let's look in the insides of all of them. A lot of them still kind of have the color on the inside. The green one looks white on the inside. The purple one looks pretty white on the inside. Alright, well this is a super fun experiment to try. You can use different things if you want to think of anything you have around the house. Look in your pantry and let me know how you do. Have fun.